The Story of Tích Chu. Long ago, there was a little boy named Tích Chu. His parents passed away when he was very young, so Tích Chu lived with his grandmother. Every day, his grandmother worked very hard to earn money to take care of him. Whenever she had something tasty to eat, she always saved it for Tích Chu. At night, when Tích Chu slept soundly, his grandmother stayed awake, gently fanning him to keep him cool. Seeing how much she loved her grandson, people often said to her, "Grandmother, your love for Tích Chu is higher than the sky and wider than the sea. When he grows up, he will surely never forget your kindness." But when Tích Chu grew older, he did not care for his grandmother anymore. She worked hard all day, while Tích Chu spent his time playing outside. Because of her hard work and poor meals, the grandmother became very ill. She had a high fever, but no one took care of her. Tích Chu was still out playing with his friends and did not think about his sick grandmother at all. One hot noon, when her fever grew worse, she was terribly thirsty and called out, "Tích Chu, my dear, please bring me a sip of water. My throat is so dry." She called once, then twice, then 3 times, but there was no answer. Later, when Tích Chu finally felt hungry, he ran home to look for food. To his great shock, he saw that his grandmother had turned into a bird and was flapping her wings to fly into the sky. Tích Chu cried out in fear, "Grandma, where are you going? Please stay with me. I'll bring you water, Grandma." "Cuckoo, cuckoo. It's too late, my child," the bird replied. "I was too thirsty to endure it anymore, so I had to turn into a bird to fly away in search of water. I'm leaving now. I will not return." After saying that, the bird spread her wings and flew away. Terrified, Tích Chu ran after her, chasing in the direction she flew. At last, he found the bird drinking water beside a cool, clear stream. Tích Chu cried, "Grandma, please come back with me. I will fetch water for you. I will help you, and I will never make you sad again." "Cook, cook, cook," the bird said sadly. "It is too late, my child. I cannot return any more." Hearing this, Tích Chu burst into tears. He loved his grandmother deeply now and felt full of regret. Just then, a fairy appeared and said to him, "If you want your grandmother to become human again, you must bring her water from the fairy spring. The road to the fairy spring is very long and dangerous. Can you make the journey?" Hearing this, Tích Chu was overjoyed. He quickly asked the fairy for directions and, without a moment of hesitation, set off on his journey. After many days and nights of traveling, overcoming countless dangers, Tích Chu finally brought the fairy spring water back for his grandmother to drink. As soon as she drank the magical water, she turned back into a human and returned home with Tích Chu. From that day on, Tích Chu loved his grandmother with all his heart and took good care of her.